On the 15th of April 1861, President Abraham Lincoln called for 75,000 volunteer soldiers to suppress the growing insurrection in the southern states. Welcome to HistoryPod. Lincoln's call for volunteers was part of his effort to maintain the authority of the federal government after several southern states seceded from the Union. As tensions escalated, Fort Sumter in South Carolina was attacked, and with the fort's surrender on the 13th of April, Lincoln faced the challenge of responding to the growing crisis. The proclamation, issued 2 days later, declared that an insurrection existed and called on the states to provide troops for a period of 90 days to restore federal authority. The request for 75,000 troops was based on the provisions of a 1795 law that allowed the president to call out state militias in times of national emergency. The War Department distributed quotas to each state based on its population, and governors were expected to raise the required regiments. Northern states generally responded positively, with volunteers enlisting in large numbers. However, the proclamation prompted more southern states to secede from the Union, as many viewed it as an act of aggression. Virginia, Arkansas, Tennessee, and North Carolina now moved to align themselves with the Confederacy. The original 90-day enlistment period suggested an expectation that the rebellion could be suppressed quickly. However, as the war progressed, it became clear that a much larger and longer-term military effort would be required. In the months that followed, Lincoln and the Union government expanded recruitment efforts as the division between North and South solidified. The American Civil War would continue for 4 long years.